This video will help you search for and access articles using the library's article search on the front page of the library website. This searches two of the library's largest article databases, Academic Search Premier and Masterfile Premier, which contain articles on a wide variety of subjects. You may also have heard them referred to as EBSCOhost. Before searching, you'll want to click on the Articles tab so you're searching for articles rather than books. Let's say we're looking for articles to answer the question, is mass domestic surveillance to prevent terrorism effective? You start by putting in your search terms. In this case, I'm obviously looking for information on mass surveillance, which I'm going to put in quotes because it's a specific concept and I want to make sure the words are found together as a phrase. Otherwise, I might find all sorts of articles about other types of surveillance. I will also put in the word terrorism because I want to find articles that are about the use of mass surveillance to combat terrorism. The "and" between the terms means that the system needs to find articles that are about both terrorism and mass surveillance. You'll see that there's a checkbox to limit your search to peer-reviewed articles only, but in this case I want to find a variety of types of sources. So this got me a nice manageable results list. You will not always find that to be the case, and you may need to try different combinations of keywords until you get a really targeted and manageable results list. If you have too few results, it may be helpful to think of terms that mean the same thing or are related to the original terms you used. For example, I could add the term domestic spying because it's related to mass surveillance. Putting an "or" between terms tells the computer to find at least one of them, so you're kind of hedging your bets since you don't know which term an author might use. If you have too many results, you may want to try adding additional terms to make your search more specific. For example, I could add the term National Security Agency to narrow down to just articles that look at that agency's surveillance. You can see here that next to each result, it tells you what type of item it is. Periodical means that it's a popular or professional journal that is not scholarly. It may still contain high-quality information, but it hasn't been through the peer review process. An academic journal is a scholarly peer-reviewed journal. You'll see that you can limit your search again to peer-reviewed journals by clicking on the checkbox on the left. You can also limit your search to articles published during a certain time period. This may be important if you need the latest research on your topic. So let's say we're interested in this article, The Surveillance State and Its Discontents. If you click on the title, you will get more information about the article. You will see an abstract that provides a summary of what the article is about. This can be very useful in giving you a sense of whether the article is worth reading for your research. On this page, you can access the article to read it, print it, or save it. You can also email the article to yourself. I recommend emailing the article because it also sends you the citation in the format of your choice. Finally, you can click the Cite button to see how to cite the article for your bibliography in various citation formats. Most of the time the citation the database gives you is correct, but sometimes there are errors and you'll want to double check what's there against the article itself to make sure. Often, as in this case, the error it makes is to capitalize all of the words in the title. No part of a citation in MLA or APA format should be in all caps. If you get stuck, ask a librarian. We're happy to help.